same thing happens every year, just as we move into the serious entertaining period, usually just before Christmas, we get a dry spell. And the lawn that was looking pretty darn good suddenly looks stressed and in trouble. And this is a sure sign to increase your watering minutes to ensure you're maintaining the growth. But how do you fix it? I mean, what would you do if you had the family around at Christmas and it was looking all dry and crispy? Even worse, you had the mates over for your Boxing Day backyard test and you couldn't play the game because you had patches everywhere. You want this lawn looking outstanding, and thanks to this new technology from Scott's, you can do it. This lawn builder will not just green your lawn, it'll actually do it in the same day. Long-term recovery from damage is always best treated with a great lawn fertiliser like Lawn Builder. It's what the experts rely on. But Lawn Builder isn't just the perfect slow-release lawn food. It's also a specialised range of treatments, including this bottle of Genius, the ultimate cheat for those of us wanting to impress. Now, the way this works, well, it's really quite remarkable. They've applied years and years of scientific research. They identified two key elements, nitrogen and iron, and these are the greening elements in the leaves that we see. But these are not any old forms. These are highly soluble forms. So when you apply it over the foliage, it's absorbed through the foliage. It doesn't have to come up through the roots. Now, this means that you are going to get almost instant green, which means that you can cheat your backyard Boxing Day test. Oh, and application. It's foolproof. No mixing, no mess, and instant effect. And if you're wondering what lawn varieties this best suits, try broadleaf grasses like buffalo or fine leaf like couches, even the cooler season grasses which respond instantly. Now look, you'll find this fast green in every Bunnings store in the country, so there's a bottle near you, which means you do not have an excuse. You've really got to make sure you've got one, a couple of days before you entertain, apply it, and dazzle your friends. They'll be blown away with just how quick this stuff actually acts. It's absolutely brilliant. And whilst you're down at your local Bunnings store, grab a sausage sizzle and help the local cricket club.